In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a Jira workflow. Whether you're new to Jira or simply looking to enhance your project management skills, following these simple steps will help you refresh your workflow names easily. So let's get started right away. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to your Jira dashboard. Once you're there, focus your attention on the left-hand panel. You'll notice an icon labeled Your Work. Click on that. This is the place where you can efficiently manage your projects and any ongoing tasks. It's a central hub for all the relevant information you might need. With that done, the next step is all about selecting the project you want to work with. You will want to ensure that you pick the correct project containing the workflow you intend to rename. Finding the right project might require you to scroll through a list, especially if you are involved in multiple projects. Double checking is key, so take an extra moment to make sure you have the correct one. Now that you've landed on the right project, your next move is to access the project settings. You can find this option once you select the project. It is located near the project's main interface, typically on the sidebar or in a drop-down menu, depending on your specific Jira setup. Clicking on project settings will open up a range of options that allow you to configure various aspects of your project. Once you are in project settings, look for the workflows option. Here you'll see a collection of all associated workflows within your project. Click on workflows to open the configuration area dedicated to them. This section provides you with the tools and settings needed to manage each aspect of your project's processes. After accessing the workflows area, you will see a list of existing workflows. The next step involves identifying and selecting the specific workflow you wish to rename. To do this, look for the edit button, which may resemble a pencil icon next to the workflow name. Click on Edit Workflow. This opens the workflow in a mode that allows you to make changes. Now that the workflow designer interface is before you, find the pencil icon, which signifies edit mode next to the workflow's name. Clicking this icon allows you to change the workflow name directly. Editing the name is as simple as highlighting the current name and typing in your new preferred name for the workflow. Make sure the new name is descriptive and aligns with the purpose of the workflow, which will be beneficial for your team members who interact with this particular workflow. Once you're satisfied with the new name you have inputted, your final step is crucial. Click on the Update button. It may appear as a check mark or a button labeled Update or Save. This action saves your changes and ensures that the new name is applied to the workflow across your Jira project. It's important to note though that there might be instances where additional permissions are required to make changes to a workflow. If you encounter any issues, reach out to your Jira administrator for assistance. Having the proper permissions will allow you to perform these tasks smoothly without interruption. And there you have it, you've successfully renamed a Jira workflow. Remember, renaming workflows is a practical way to keep your projects organized and understandable, a small yet significant part of effective project management in Jira. Using clear, concise names helps your team navigate through workflows much more efficiently, potentially increasing productivity and reducing misunderstandings. As you become more familiar with managing Jira workflows, you'll find that making these kinds of changes becomes a quick and convenient process. Continue exploring other features within Jira to fully leverage its capabilities, tailoring your project management approach to better suit your specific needs and objectives. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to make the most out of your Jira experience. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips designed to help you navigate the world of project management with ease. See you in the next video.